Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about how to fix the 4C error code. But first, what does 4C mean? The 4C error code on your washer is indicative of a problem with its water supply. The machine will display this if the flow of water into it is not rapid enough. It is likely due to a low flow rate or low pressure. The following are some of the common causes of the 4C error. Low water supply. It is possible that the tap you connected to the unit is not fully open. This restricts the water supply, resulting in the 4C error. Water hose mesh filter blockage. A blockage in this filter slows down the flow of water into the machine. That triggers the 4C error. Water inlet valves blockage. A clog in the valves affects the supply of water to the tank, causing the 4C error. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the 4C error. Turn the water on. To ensure the water is turned on, do the following. Check the hot and cold faucets. Ensure the taps are fully open. Confirm that there is water going through these faucets. Clean the mesh filter. Do the following at least twice every year. Close the water supply. Detach the inlet hose from the taps. Remove the L-shaped arm from the unit. Carefully take the filters out. Place the filters under running water. Do this until they are clean. Put the filters back in place. Reattach the inlet hose. Do this for the washer first, then the water supply. Inspect the connections to confirm they are watertight. Open the water supply. Replace the inlet valve. To do this, follow these steps. Shut down the unit, then close its water supply. Remove the hoses that supply water. Move the unit away from the wall. Unscrew the top panel at the back top corners. After unscrewing it, lift the top panel and place it elsewhere. Take out the inlet valve's screws. Take a picture of the electrical connections on the valve. Then proceed to disconnect these connections. Extract the inlet valve from the unit. Get a towel and place it beneath. Then detach the clamps connected to the valve. Take out the hoses attached to the valve. Install the new solenoid valve. Ensure you firmly secure the screws. Once done, put all the water supply hoses back in place. Upon doing this, power the unit back up. Initiate a brief test cycle to confirm if the issue was resolved. Thanks for watching.